How to find accidental reposts on Instagram Reels and undo them on Android. This tutorial shows you how to locate and remove any repost you didn't mean to share. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, find the Repost tab. It looks like two curved arrows. At this point, tap on it to open all the Reels you have reposted. In the next step, scroll through the list and find the repost you want to undo. Let me show you how to remove it. From there, tap on the reposted reel to open it. At this stage, tap on the repost icon on the right side of the screen. Once done, a confirmation message will pop up letting you know the repost has been removed. Go back to your Repost tab to confirm it's gone. From here, if you don't see the Repost tab on your profile, it means you currently have no active reposts, which means the accidental repost may have already been removed. Finally, to avoid accidental reposts in the future, be careful when tapping the share icon on Reels. The repost option is easy to tap by mistake, so always double check before confirming. And that's it. If this guide helped you find and undo accidental reposts on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.